Hi there. Yesterday we took our reading test and now it is time to track our data from that test. Go to Classwork, click on the 3 lines in the top right corner, then click on the Data folder or Data Tracker. Your teacher will tell you what it is called. For my class it is called My Data Folder, and this should be familiar because Ms. Reed does this every time we take a math test. It is the same thing except we are tracking our reading data. So once you get here, you are going to go to Reading. So once you're here, you'll then go to Reading, and then you'll scroll down to this reading slide, and then right here you will drag the little bar all the way to the red line. And so yesterday was our unit or module 9 test. Unit and module mean the same thing. So if you got below an 80, you are going to do a retest to try it and get some points back. Okay, if you need to hear this video again, just restart it over.